Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky. I might leave regrets and wishes and hopes and bets, and wondering what would happen. Think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday, July 2nd. July 1st? July 2nd. I think it's July 2nd. I made myself a coffee in my new glasses that I got for my birthday from Andy's sister. Super cute. But today we have some things going on. I'm gonna clean the house. Like, I have so many clothes that I have just like piled up in so many different places all over the house. I'm gonna put away. I think I'm gonna list a bunch of those clothes on Poshmark today because I have just like so many that I either haven't worn in forever or just like don't wear. Like, I have clothes that have tags on them that I've just never worn. I don't know why. I just always wear the same few pieces, you know. I will link my Poshmark in the description of this vlog if you guys are interested in seeing any of that. And then basically just gonna clean until Andy gets home, and then we have our friends throwing like a little 4th of July pool party later today, so we're gonna go do that. Hey you guys, we just got to our friend's house. I'm wearing this new top that was in the haul last week from Revolve. It's one of my faves actually, look how cute it is. Shorts from EB Denim, and then my 112s. Happy 4th of July weekend!
Oh, that's. Please.
A green juice a day. Hi you guys, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. July 3rd. It's like noon. Made breakfast this morning, watched some Love Island UK. Searching for fireworks because it's July 4th weekend and we need to have some little baby fireworks, you know?
Make a car wash.
Car wash?
Yeah.
But the plan for today is we're gonna go to Andy's sister's house, Haley and David's later, for a little, like, I guess not little, huge
Feast. 4th of July feast.
Okay, we weren't able to find any fireworks, but I'm wearing these L'Academy, don't mind the dirty mirror, I just realized that, I need to clean it. But these shorts are L'Academy, they were in my haul from last vlog. And then this top is also Revolve, I think it's from Cotton Citizen, it's like under $100 and it's a cute little like either swimsuit cover up or tank. And then this bikini is Frankie's Bikinis. It's the Tia style. It's my favorite like bikini by far. I have a bunch of colors in the Tia style just because I think it's the most flattering, like triangle cut. And I love Frankie's Bikinis. It's the best.
I got macaroni and potato salad.
Yum.
And some little cupcakes.
Cupcakes? Oh, they had some? Sparklers?
Not good stuff. No, I didn't see any sparklers.
What'd they have? Just fireworks? Yeah. Like little fireworks?
Just like things that smoke or like crackle.
Get the balls! Get the balls! We don't have much of a backyard, obviously, at our house. So whenever we come over here, Buckley is in heaven. Buckley's in heaven! Yeah! Oh, hi, Nelly. Hi. Buckley's in heaven. Already in the pool. Get the ball. Good job. Good job. I can't with this, you guys. It's so funny.
Fruit, chips, cupcakes. David. Hawk.
Okay, Andy's doing a taste test of all these beers, and we're gonna see if he can figure out which ones are which.
Lime.
Without knowing.
Alright, let's get it.
Alright, here's the lineup. It's okay, I'll pull that up.
We lost one. I'm gonna make a guess now. Michelob Ultra.
Yes.
Buzzer me. Okay, that's right?
Yeah.
Natty?
No.
What is it?
I don't want to tell you yet. Just keep going.
Why? Miller.
Yes.
Okay. Coors.
No.
Bud Light.
No.
Okay, so these are all
The big, the tall boys are all.
the same.
Do it again.
It's kind of weird how the two that I drink the most I got. Miller and Michelob.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, what are you doing?
I was shining on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right.
Andy, eat that right there off the bone. Eat it right off the bone.
Happy?
Side.
Oh!
You can't have more, Andy. I'm all full.
You never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had to try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a chance and yeah, let me write. I just took a chance and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the folk was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. Yeah, I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, this in New England, but I'm dying high.
You too.
Happy 4th of July, people. You guys are all clean. We got a bath and now we're all clean. Now you gotta clean your ears and brush you, huh?
What's up, guys? It's just Andy checking in here. Lily's driving. Happy 4th, everyone. To all my fans, happy 4th. We're on the way to my sister's house. We're gonna have some burgers.
This whole vlog might as well be called Haley and David's house.
Maybe have some burgers and hot dogs and watch some fireworks.
Cornhole on today?
Yeah, the ACLs. I'm looking to qualify next year.
Yeah, honestly, you probably could. I mean, if you're gonna kick their butt, are you kidding? They have no chance.
Yeah, it might have to be me and David on a team because I think David might be the worst.
It's okay, you won't watch this.
No.
Actually, you probably will. Lobster and crab yesterday, hot dogs and
Hot
hamburgers
dogs.
today.
And burgers and fireworks for the 4th.
Wait, but that's supposed to turn there?
No. You just saw them get a bath. Now they're clean. If they were to come over, they would get dirty again. Running around in the mud and in the pool.
And we're gonna play cornhole, and Moose can't play cornhole because he likes to eat the bags. You have to go in that way or no?
No.
What's the point of it then? I always do whenever I drive over here.
See you at the cornhole boards.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah.
Andy won.
Of course. Man.
So you're a fan.
I kind of knew that I was gonna win, so.
The reigning champ, can't beat him.
And they can replicate this unity. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better. But you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish.
Okay, this is so exciting. We just rented another office space. It's actually like right next to ours. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. And it's gonna be like specifically for our new shoes. I think we're gonna put like a little couch in here, maybe like a 112 sign, and then we're gonna display all of our new shoes. So like we'll have our custom shoes in the other office and then our new shoes in this office, and it'll be kind of like a separate little space. I decided to make this room over and like make it all cute and have it be another little 112's headquarters. All of our shoes that are from Italy right now are in the boxes still. So we need to take them all out, obviously, because we will be dropping them this month, which is exciting. So this is like perfect timing.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take that advice, go get a life, or maybe get a job or something. Pack it up and head back home, tell everybody I was bluffing. Maybe I'll just get out my head and focus on what I know's coming. Yeah. Cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. Baby, this what flying feels like. Baby, this what flying feels like.
Guys, what? Cleaning lady's here. I wanted to show you guys our socks that we've had made. I love them. Me and Andy have been wearing them for the past like month and a half after we got the first samples, and we're obsessed with them, to say the least. They are unisex, which is really cool too. Like they fit both him and me, and they're one size fits all pretty much. So this is what they look like. We have 3 different styles. So this is the first style. I'll open it because I'll just take this pair home. This is what it comes like. This little sock clip, but they're all ankle socks like this length. I find this length sock is the most flattering for like sneakers, wearing sneakers with. Like I wear my custom shoes with this ankle sock. We have 3 socks. This one is, obviously it says 112 with our logo. This logo matches the logo on the shoe, which is kind of cool. And then, let's see if I can find it out. I feel like this batch will all be the same, but there's this style. There's a style that looks like this, where it's just like a plain white sock, which is obviously good for everyday wear, like when you don't want to have writing on here. And then there's one that has a 112 on the toe box. So actually there's 2 pairs of socks that don't have the writing, which would mean this is the only pair that has writing on the ankle. I think it looks cute. It's on the outside and then obviously on the inside. So like when you're wearing it, it's like kind of like a circle. It's like circling your ankle, which is cute.
2 slices and a beer, $15.50.
All right, y'all, we're getting this new pizza spot. It's called Mr. Moto Pizza.
Mr. Moto.
We've heard good things. Obviously, it just opened. We were working away in the office trying to get the new one situated, and it's 7:30, so we figured let's just get some pizza instead of cook some dinner, eh?
Yeah. An hour foot massage.
That sounds kind of nice.
And your nails and feet clean.
And then nails, and then get a slice of pizza. And then go to, hey, there's 2 nails. Oh no, that's a wax. Feet, wax, nails. Pizza, nails.
Shebang.
Anyways.
You coming in?
Nobody going?
These little kids are gonna taunt me.
They're gonna taunt you more if I'm with you.
No, if I'm by myself, they're gonna be like, look at this loser.
They're 4 years old and their dad is right there.
They're like 11.
Yeah,
That's the age of, that's when the kids taunt you.
Two Mr. Motos, which are probably the best because it's the name of the pizza joint. One of the pesto, forgot, mozzarella. And then one ham and pineapple, because we were just talking last night about ham and pineapple pizza.
I haven't had it in a long time.
Because of Stranger Things, is that what it was? Yeah.
Yes.
They were eating ham and pineapple pizza in Stranger Things. So we're gonna go home, eat our ham and pineapple pizza, and finish
Stranger
the
Things.
finale.
Stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight.